heel is another rolling exercise that requires balance. So let's bring our bottom towards our heels. We're going to bring our hands to the front and open them like a book and wrap them around our ankles. We're going to draw our feet in towards our bottom and roll back off our sits bones and find our hover. This is our balance point right behind our sits bones. You can stay here and just practice balancing in this position, or you can try adding on the rolls. So the soles of the feet are towards each other. Our belly is scooped in. We lift our hips and we roll back up and hold. Lift your hips. Exhale up and hold. Now we can try open and closing from the hips 3 times. Hold the feet together, lift the hips, and roll back up and hold. Open, close, 2, 3. And now you can also try doing that on the back. Inhale, lift your hips, 1, 2, 3. Roll up and hold, and 1, 2, 3. And lift the hips, and 1, 2, 3. And roll it up and hold.